the very first thing that you'll probably need to do is install Node.js, right? So implementing the React applications, right, and then the server later on and whatnot, they all rely on using Node.js framework installed on your machine. And so the easiest thing that you can do is to navigate to nodejs.org, right, and download it for your particular machine, right? So either Windows or Mac OS or whatever, right? So there's an implementation for either one, and it's just just an executable. It's an MSI if it's on Windows, right? Or it's a DMG for Mac OS, and just install it, and then you'll have available on your command line. You'll have available a couple of executables, right? So one of the executables. So there's three executables of interest that we care about. One of them is Node, and Node allows you to run JavaScript locally on your machine. So we're not going to be using Node per se, not yet, or at least not directly. Okay. Instead, we're going to be using two other command lines, which is the npm and npx. Which allow you to install libraries, right, and frameworks and modules and things like that, right, that are implemented using JavaScript. Okay, one of those modules is the create React app module, right? That it's going to allow us to create React applications, right? And that's really where we're going to be focused. So we're going to come back to so follow these instructions to install Node.js. And to try it out, once you install it, you can check out the version of your node, right? And just verify that it's the latest. This is pretty old; it's 14. You need to create a Node.js project. We'll be doing that actually later on in week 5, I think. To create our own server. But yeah, you don't have to just install it. Once it's installed, you can check to see if it's installed, Node version and whatnot, right?